If somebody owes you an amount of money, they cannot come to you to borrow again. In fact, you cannot even listen to them. If they have not paid you what they owe you, of course you cannot lend them more.
Senator wa Kaunti ya Narok Ledema Olekina yokereire Kaunti na Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri thutha wa Kaunti kwandikithia Mathiire matanyihire ciringi bilioni 3 hamwe na Thirikari ya gĩbũrũri kũgerera Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri Irihe Muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.4 ni Ruhonge rwa Kemsa.
The proposal is as follows. Any county that owes 30 days and above, Kemsa should stop supplying the medicine until payment is made in full. We've not even looked at what the national government owes. It's a lot. You know?
There's question.
Yeah, we're going to the question too.
Kaunti ya Kilifi ni ĩtongoretie na Mathiire ma makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.7. Afitha munene wa Ruhonge rwa Kemsa augĩte atĩ Mathiire nĩ makwametie ũruti wa wĩra makiria Unyagia wa Ndawa gũkũ Kemsa ĩkĩrotwo nĩ ũndũ wa Mathiire mau.
We have been engaging the National Treasury, the control of budget, and sometimes some of these things, whereas they are not anchored in law, we engage the office of the National Treasury at disbursement to tell counties that we will not disburse your next disbursement if you don't pay Kemsa. They get that feedback.
Kamite ya Senate ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ cemanirie na afitha ũyũ Andrew Mulwa na kwarĩria ihoya rĩa Senator wa Nandi Samson Thirikari aciĩgiĩ Mathiire makiria marĩa marohetwo nĩ Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
My proposal, Chair, before you rule before the answer and then you rule so that we make progress, I know in the interest of time. We need those details of the debt collectors. How much have they collected and how much are you spending on them?
30 days because of exchequer and whatever, let's take 90 days. Beyond 90 days is when they will stop.
I have a challenge with that, Madam Chair.
Yes.
We'll tell them, these counties, unless they pay Kemsa their money, do not release any money for them to pay the other secondary suppliers.
Agirifotera Muthingi TV, jitikaga wa Bui wa Jao.